It's your girl Bree here, and today we're gonna be talking about this hair that I got from Mayvenn and my experience with their free install. But before we get into that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I am doing a giveaway at 500, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and comment below your experience with Mayvenn Hair if you already had the free install, and also your experience with the hair itself if you just bought some bundles. Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so once you go into Mayvenn's website, you're going to see here, you can scroll down a little bit, browse a bit, and then it's going to ask you to choose your stylist. Once you browse stylist, you're going to go ahead and put your email address in. First impression, and now match with your stylist. Now it gives you a bunch of different stylists to choose from. As soon as you put in like your address and zip code and things like that, you can go ahead and breeze through those like you see me doing here, just showing you a few. Once you get the stylist that you want to actually book with, it's going to take you to this screen right here where you can shop by different ways. So you can shop by look, you can shop by the bundle sets. Yeah, so I chose a bundle set. As you can see here, I got me the straight, and also once you get that, you go to checkout and then you're all set. This is how the bundles came to me. It came in like 2 days. It was really quick and express shipping. It comes with this like pamphlet to help you know how to take care of your hair and your bundle. Once you receive the hair, it's gonna come in these little pouches like this, and it's gonna say Mayvenn, of course. I got 2 bundles of a 16-inch Peruvian straight, and also got a 14-inch lace closure. Now this is what you guys see what's on me here. After you purchase the hair, you go ahead and you book your appointment with your stylist. Mayvenn Hair does help you do that, so you will have help along the way. You don't have to stress about, oh, I don't know how to contact my stylist, or oh, I don't know, what to do, because they will help you, and they talk between you and the stylist to get a good date and time for both of you. Hey Subbies, I'm here at Mo's Hair Hut in Harlem. And courtesy of Mayvenn Hair, once you get a free install by Erica. I've been braided down and washed by Tiara. My head feels amazing, by the way. So now Erica's going to go ahead and sew this bad boy into my head, and I just gonna watch the process. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take that hot road and hop in.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, hard and complicated.
First, get the closure. Of course, the closure is gonna be thick, and it will need some plucking and, you know, some makeup and stuff. She did pluck just a little bit because she explained to me that Mayvenn hair closures, they do bald pretty easy, so to be careful with the plucking. Also, some makeup, you know, we put here to open up the part. I absolutely love my experience. It was not tight at all. There was no discomfort whatsoever. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, easy. Definitely try it out. I will leave a link in the description box below to get to the website of Mayvenn so that you guys can go ahead and go for your own free install. If you are in New York City, I went to Mo's Hair Hut in Harlem, and I will also leave their information down below if you guys want to check them out, even if it's aside from Mayvenn Hair. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more, comment below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.